Good morning, guys. So this is super blue. So I got a few new swimsuits. I'm gonna show you guys. I kind of already did an unboxing, but somebody was here cleaning, so I was like super quiet. So I just want to kind of re-show you guys the swimwear that I got. It's by the brand Lagoa swimwear. I already showed you guys. They wrote me little note, but I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and then show you guys. I've got a couple hours till my event for Urban Decay, or with Urban Decay, and I'll show you guys what it is that I'm wearing. At some point in this video, probably now, I'm gonna show you guys. I got this super cute baby cashmere scarf, and I haven't gotten a chance to wear it yet, and it's just so pretty, and I think today I'm gonna wear it. Show you guys. My room is all clean, yay. But it's just about like to my knees. I'm pretty short, so this is pretty long, but I think it's super cute. It's a really nice color, so I think I'm probably gonna stick wearing this, and I might wear my little beret. What am I doing? Right there. So I'm probably gonna wear that with this because it kind of matches, but also kind of not. So I don't really know. I want to be kind of tan. So I'm gonna tan, but I'll show you guys these bathing suits. Someone just came in. They're painting our house. I'm showing you first. Okay, so I'm not trying on the bottoms. Well, I did try on the bottoms, but I didn't feel like taking my pants off, so. So this is the top. I think it's super, super cute. It is a little wide right here, but on this side it's got like a zipper, like I was telling you guys about, but I think it's so cute, and the colors are like super pretty and look really nice like in like an edited photo. So I'm gonna try on the yellow one. Okay, what else? So this is the second top. This is the yellow reversed with white, and so you guys can retie this depending on how tight and loose you like the top. I definitely tightened this one, and it was so cute, so I'm definitely going to do that on the other one. But anyways, I will give you guys an absolute full review. So far the tops fit super nicely. The bottoms did seem a little bit low, but I have like a really long torso, so I like mine to be a little bit higher waisted or like mid-rise as opposed to like a low-rise swimsuit. That's my personal opinion. I will be doing a swimwear haul with all kinds of different swimwear brands, so you guys can totally check that out. Make sure to subscribe so you guys see it. But if there's a brand that you guys specifically want to see a review on, it'll be kind of like a mash review, so there'll be like tons of different people in the videos. You might find a brand that you don't necessarily know of that you guys can check out. It'll be all different price ranges, so from expensive to inexpensive. Anyways, I have to get ready for this event, so I'll see you guys in like a couple seconds. I thought it was gonna come out easier.
What is that?
Okay, so this is my Vivi Boxy by YPK Creative. Clark, look how cute this paper is.
Cute.
Oh my gosh, it matches my beret.
Cute.
Wow, that is so soft.
Thank you for spoiling it.
Babe, feel.
Oh, that is soft.
Okay guys, so this is my outfit. Of course I'm gonna put on some makeup, but I've got my beret from Urban Outfitters, my baby cashmere scarf from YP Creative. This is just a jacket that I got from Michael Kors. This shirt is by Vince, which is just kind of like a, it's a little more on the pricier side, but I did get it at TJ Maxx. And then the belt, I'm hiding the belt because I'm wearing all gold and I don't have a black belt or a belt at all that has gold on it that fits, that looks nice. Then these jeans are just from American Eagle. I wasn't sure if I should go with a black jean, but I wanted a little bit of differentiation, so I went with just like a blue jean. And then I've got my shoes from Free People. They're by the brand, I believe, Coconuts. And then I got this purse today from TJ Maxx. It's Rebecca Minkoff. off. I think that's how you say that. But I got it on sale for $49. It's originally almost $200. So most of these are deals. So that is my outfit for the day. It's just super casual. I'll probably end up taking my coat, my scarf, and my hat off. So I wanted my outfit underneath to match perfectly. So that's why I did what I did, and I really just love this bag. It is so cute. It's gonna be like my bag for like the rest of my life. But anyways, I have to go put on some makeup, and then I've got to get gas because I'm basically out of gas and I can't make it to Nashville if I don't have gas. So gotta do that, and then I will be on my way. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. It's only a Wednesday night, but I'm kind of nervous about traffic, and I also don't know who's gonna be there. So hey guys, so I'm currently getting gas right now. As you can see, I've got on some makeup. The only thing I have left to put on is my lip gloss, and so I think I used this in my New Year's Get Ready With Me, but this is my Buxom lip gloss, and I absolutely love it. It's just kind of like a really dark, pretty, like plumping lipstick, and I'm almost done, but I will see you guys in like a couple minutes. I'll be finally at the event. It's gonna take me 42 minutes to get there because of traffic, and I only live 20 minutes away. So wish me luck. Update, I've hit the traffic that I was worried about. Okay, so I just made it to the event, and I've already been matched. I am light warm. So this is an event for Urban Decay. I apologize for the noise, but we are testing out their new all-nighter concealer. So I'll definitely have to do a mini review for you guys, but I'm super excited, and there are tons of vloggers here, so I'm really excited about that too.
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand.
So the event was overall pretty good. I didn't even mention that. We did a little bit of bowling, just kind of stood around and talked. There's quite a bit of people there, like it was really packed. But we got super good goodie bags, and we met Steve, which is the makeup artist, I believe, for Urban Decay. Like he goes all over the country, and he's like stopping in a ton of different states to do these little events. And luckily I got to meet him. He was super sweet, said that if we ever come to California that we're totally gonna have to meet up with him, and he'll give us the tour of Urban Decay, which would be totally crazy. But yeah, overall it was a super fun night. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in the next vlog.
Let's say I let you stay, I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me.